Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for music by scanning in the Spotify QR code of a particular song. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Click on the camera icon, and now you should point your camera at a Spotify code. And now, as you can see, you have found a song that the QR code indicated, so you are ready to listen to it and explore more songs from that particular artist. And you can also add it to your liked items or to your playlist and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.